and you might find it funny why I like FFmpeg that much. The thing was that we had this old service which was supposed to display video to our customers, and for some weird reason the page which was displaying video had one video tag for every video. So if I want to display 30 videos, it will be 30 different video tags, and all the 30 videos were rendering real time from the server. Just type in the chat if you want to listen to this part. If you don't, I'll stop it and get back to the actual work. Does this conversation sound interesting to you in any way? That's what I'm trying to figure out. I can wait. If it's an interesting conversation to you, I would like to expand on this, elaborate on this a bit, so that we can understand our pain. Yeah, awesome. So the thing with the tool which was beefing up the entire server was that every time you have to run a video, you gotta go fetch the video from the server, and the time cost to fetch a video from the server, if suppose the server has a video file which is of 100 MB, and the amount of network and the effort which was required and the time required to call and actually play a video was 37 seconds, which is actually huge. So if you're serving somewhere around 100,000 to 200,000 customers a day, and you don't want 37 seconds for each customer, will pile up hell lot of more stress on the server. Okay, the only way for us to do this efficiently and also satisfy our customers is to take a video. Yeah, I just imagine my situation. I was the only guy handling the entire thing. So the plan was for us to use Dash, and if you're not familiar with Dash, sorry, I spelled it wrong. Okay, Dash is nothing but dynamic adaptive streaming via HTTP. What it basically does is, suppose if this is your video tag, it will create an imaginary buffer for you. If you want to know what is imaginary buffer, you know what, let me pull up my Mozilla Firefox, and if you go to YouTube and play some video, suppose this is the video which I'm looking to play, and whatever you see here, only the part where the white thing is marked is the thing which is loaded onto your particular PC. So this is what you call client, and this is what you called MSE, media source extension buffer. And all we had to do to satisfy our customers and make sure our tool doesn't break every single time a customer plays a video, we wanted to fragment the particular video into tiny chunks of 2 MB size, and this is the media source extension buffer, MSE, and try to populate the videos on the go. And I actually succeeded doing this, and when I did it properly, the amount of time taken to start a video was 700 milliseconds for a 100 MB. So from 37 seconds it got reduced to less than a second, or like half a second. 500 milliseconds was the time the last time I checked it. So it was somewhere around, I don't know, 37x performance, 370x performance, 3700x performance. That's the only time I experienced such kind of things in my life, and it was so interesting to do this thing. And to fragment this video into bits, FFmpeg was the only way for me to do it. So I liked it. I liked the use case of it, and I loved it when I tried to use it a bit. So that's why every now and then I wanted to use FFmpeg, and video seems to be more interesting, and My dream company is to get into Netflix someday, and I want to work on videos more as much as possible. Did that sound interesting to you, my brother?